If you think counting vowels is easy, try doing it without skipping edge cases. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's Python interview question is, how do you count vowels and consonants in a given string? You are given a string like hello world and you need to count the number of vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and number of consonants, all other alphabets excluding spaces, digits, symbols. Here's how we will solve it. Convert the string to lowercase to handle case insensitivity. Loop through each character. If it's a letter, check if it's a vowel or consonant. Use counters to track totals. We will ignore anything that's not a letter, like punctuation or spaces. Now let's write a Python code for this. We'll define one function. Count vowels, consonants. And we will take one string as an input. Now we will define what are vowels initially. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels. As per the plan, we will convert this string into lowercase. So S equal to S dot lower. Now we will take two variables to count vowels and another one for to count consonants. So we say v count and we will initialize to 0. Another is C count for consonant. Now we will take the for loop for char in yes. Now let's check if it's alphabet. So for that we have inbuilt function. So we say if char dot is alpha. If this is true, then we'll check if char in vowels. So if char in vowels, if it is true, then we will increment the vowels count. V count plus equal to 1. Else, we will increment consonant count. C count plus equal to 1. After this, we will return V count, comma, C count. Now let's call this function. Let's say V comma C equal to, we'll call this function count variables consonants and we'll pass hello world. Now we'll print vowels comma V and similarly we'll print consonants. Now let's run this program. So as you can see, vowels is 3 and consonants is 7. Now let's try with some other example. Let's say A, E, I, O, U, comma, X, Y, Z. Let's run this. As you can see, vowels is 5, that is A, E, I, O, U, and consonants is 3. And it has ignored this space because we have checked this condition if char dot is alpha. If it's alphabet, then only it enters this, otherwise it will go for next character in loop. Now we'll check for numbers or other symbols 1, 2, 3, 4, some other symbols like this. Now let's run this. As you can see, vowels is 0 and consonants is 0. Now we'll take hello as an example and we will see the dry run for hello. When the program is executed, so V and C variables have been initiated and count vowels consonants is called. So now the S variable will have this hello. After this we have vowels in A, E, I, O, U in lowercase and S. So S will have S equal to hello in lowercase. V count will be 0, C count will be 0. Now for the first character it will be H. If character is alpha, yes, it is alphabet, then it will go inside. If character in vowels, it will check if it's H is in A, E, I, O, U. It's not. So it will go to else. So it will increment the C value. And again it will take the next character, that is E. And it checks if it is character. It is character. And it will go inside the vowels because E is in A, E, I, O, U. So now V count will be incremented. So it will continue till all the characters have been parsed. After that, V count and C count is returned and it will be stored in V and C. Then we are printing vowels and consonants. So quickly run this. As you can see, vowels is 2, consonants is 3. And that's how you count vowels and consonants in Python. Always sanitize input, lowercase, strip spaces in string based questions. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Let me know in the comments what are the other more questions I need to solve. Till then, happy coding.